Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for gaming, accessories, business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on your search. So let's enter the website. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, let's create a new site. Now build with the Wix editor. What kind of website are you creating? Now enter the website type, so the gaming accessories. So let's choose this. If you want to skip, you can skip from here. Now wait a few seconds, preparing dashboard. Enter your store name or your business name. Type any business name you want. Let's continue. Do you already have an online store? Choose if you already have or not. Do you want to move an existing store to Wix? Not yet. What would you like to sell? Physical products, dropshipping products, services, digital products, and print-on-demand products. Now let's continue. And where would you like to sell? My mobile app, online store, and marketplaces and social media. Now continue to dashboard. Now design your site. Click here. So how would you like to design your website? If you wanna let Wix create a site for you, or if you wanna customize the design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. Here enter your information, the email, the address, and the phone. And here if you wanna add a social link. So let's move on. Pick a theme you like. Pick your favorite homepage designs. So let's choose this. Here if you wanna add some pages to your site. So I'm gonna choose them all. Let's continue. Wait a few seconds, preparing the homepage designs. Now your site is ready and running. So go to the editor if you wanna edit more. So this is your homepage website. So here if you wanna add some elements, the first element here is the text element, the same text or the titles, the paragraphs. So if you wanna edit the size or the shape of the text, so just choose any same text you want. Now let's move on to the image elements. Here if you wanna looking for something, if you wanna upload image, if you wanna upload image, if you're looking for free Wix image, here the button elements. If you wanna edit the size or the shape of the buttons, you can edit them and put it on your website homepage here. So here the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, the documents buttons, and the iTunes buttons. Here the payments buttons, the pay buttons, and the PayPal buttons. So you have to add some buttons from here. Select any one you want. Now let's move on to the strip elements. If you want a classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonials, and theme, just select any one you want and put it on your website, and it will be done. Now let's move on to the decorative. If you want to add some shapes, the seamed lines, the basic shapes, the rows, the horizontal lines, the vertical lines, here the vector art. If you want to add some featured icons, animals and nature, the logos and the badges, the characters, here the video elements, the video box, the video mask, and there's transparent video. You can just hold on it and put it on your website. Select any one you want here. Now let's move on to the boxes. Here the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs. So just select anyone from here you want and put it on your website. Here if you want some galleries, some recommended galleries, if you want to add some pro galleries or guide galleries or slider galleries. Here if you want to show more galleries. So let's move on to the anchor menus and anchor. Here the same menus, the horizontal menus, the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, the the anchor and the in-page menu, and the last thing here is the search, the site search. So that's it. Now let's move on to the contact and forms. Here the forms, the contacts, the order forms, the registration forms. So you can just choose anyone, select anyone you want. Donation forms, the application forms, the feedback, request, and the waiver, and subscribe forms. You can choose any one and put it on your website. Here the Google Maps, the maps and the full width maps. And here the last thing is the chats, the Wix chats, and the line button. Here the video and the music, the video elements and the music elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the interactive, the slideshows and the light boxes, and here the boxes and the repeaters, the over repeaters. Now let's move on to the list, the list elements, the repeaters and the over repeaters and the blank repeaters. You can just select any one you want and put it on your website home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the embed code. If you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to add some single video players, if you want to edit your audio elements, the SoundCloud player, Spotify player, iTunes buttons. Here the advanced elements if you want to add some marketing tools, Velo Dev mode, and here the animation elements. So that's it. Now let's move on to the social bar. If you want to add some social bars here, you can also edit the Facebook bar or the Twitter bar, the Pinterest bar, the VK bar, and the online and the line bar, and here the music and the video, the YouTube line. So let's move on to the payments section, the payments buttons, the payments forms, the pricing plans, and here the store if you want to edit the store elements. Let's move on to the CMS. Here if you want to either manage your site content, if you want to share your expertise and engage with your audience. Here the store if you want to edit the store elements, the slider product gallery, the related products, product widget, and here if you want to add to cart button. Here if you want to add some shopping cart. So here the bookings elements and the related elements, pricing plans, the events if you want to create and manage events. If you wanna manage, if you wanna add members area, you can manage the community elements, and here the designs, you can save custom designs. So that's it. If you wanna add some sections, you can add them from here. Select any section you want. Here the end page, and here if you wanna add some page and menus. So if you wanna design the site, you can customize your site design. If you wanna edit the color theme or the text theme or the page background or the page transitions. If you wanna add some apps, here if you wanna manage your business, if you wanna upload your media, or if you wanna edit the image and videos, if you're looking for 3 weeks image or 3 weeks videos. Here if you wanna easily manage your site content, and the last thing here, you can manage the marketing and SEO section. You can add some Google ads, Facebook ads, SEO and social media marketing, and the marketing integrations. So that's it. Now if you want to design the website homepage as you like, you can move it down or move it up. You can do a quick edit. If you want to add some actions, if you want to duplicate this section or delete this section. So now after you're done from designing your website, all you have to do is click here publish, and you're gonna publish your website easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.